What's up guys, my name's Dan, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I do a product video shoot in this room. I'm going to be breaking down the lighting and the rigs I use and the camera angles I tend to go for when I'm doing B-roll. Now I don't know about you, but I love watching behind the scenes videos of other people working on product shoots or videos, and I thought, hey, why not just do a video of me doing the product shoots that I'm working on at the moment. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get into it. Okay, so here's the setup. I guess we'll start with the lighting first. And the top here we have the Aputure 120D, and that has the Light Dome Mini 2 on it, and it's got a grid on there, so it's directing the light right down onto the product, so it's not spilling onto the background. And then we've got a rim light at the back, which is an LED light, and that's just helping Superman stand out from the background there. And on the background there's a black sheet on some stands, and I've also got a black sheet over the table, so I've got control of any reflections from that light. And as you see, I've got an A4 piece of paper just to give a little bit of bounce back onto the product here. And going over to the gear I'm using the Edirchrome Slider Plus, which is the long version, and we've got the slide module, which is powered by 2 NP batteries. And then we've also got the Head 1, which has got the turntable kit from Edirchrome as well, and that's powered by a Canon battery, the LP batteries. And then the Head 1 and the slider is all programmed by the app, so I can get my sweet shots. So what we're using at the moment is the 24-70 G Master lens, and that's set to 50 and above. So what that does is crushes the background, so it looks like an infinity background on the product, keeps it nice and dark. If I want to get some real close-up shots, I'm using the Sony 35mm, and I find that you can get quite close to the subject and still be in focus, which is very cool. So for monitoring, I've got the Atomos Ninja 5. I'm just literally not recording from this, it's just purely for monitoring, and that's running straight into the FS7. And I'll always do some test shots and make sure that everything is in focus on my Mac. Also use the remote for the lights and a remote for the FS7 itself. The Aputure light is on a standard C stand, and I'm using the same bracket as I use for my DJI barrel roll video. If you've not seen that, link in the description. I've got my favourite small rig bracket connected to the 120D, and that's not going anywhere. So this is a test at the moment, so I'm just literally grabbing my Hot Toys figures and making sure that the lighting is correct, and then when I'm happy with that, I'll either go in and pick up the products, or the products are posted to me, and everything's all ready to shoot when they arrive. So I just wanted to add that you don't need all this gear to do product videos. This gear has accumulated over like 3 to 5 years, and you can get by with a tripod and a camera that shoots like 4K and slow-mo, and you buy yourself a little Lazy Susan from Amazon just to get that revolving shot look, and that'll work just as good as long as you've got black sheets and some lighting. You know, you can get some cheap lighting from Amazon as well. Those Yongnuo lights that I use, they're like £79 as opposed to the Aputure, which is like £700 at the moment. But yeah, you don't need all this gear, but yeah, just have fun with it. You know, it is trial and error, but it can be fun when you get the end result. So yeah, happy shooting, and more importantly, have fun with it. And there you go, that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and give it a little bit of a like, and I'll see you in the next one.